Hello viewers, today in this video I am gonna show you how to fix Facebook keeps stopping problem on 2026. Okay, let's start the video. First of all, click on Facebook apps. This problem appears every time you open the Facebook apps. See, this is a problem, then let's solve this problem. After that, now go back your home screen. First, check your internet connection, then enable aeroplane mode and turn it off again. After that, now go to your phone setting and follow my step by step. Scroll down, now tap on apps. Find the Facebook apps here or tap on the search icon. Now search for Facebook apps. Now tap on Facebook apps. Scroll down, now tap on storage. Now clear cache and clear data. Now tap on force stop and OK. Scroll up, now tap on permission. Now allow all permission. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your Play Store, update your Facebook apps. Now tap on search bar and search for Facebook apps. Now tap on Facebook apps. It is already updated. Now go back your home screen and restart your device. Now go to your Facebook apps. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem. Thank you.